Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share one of my favorite Balinese fruit salad called Rujak Cuka. It's so yummy and refreshing, and it's best to serve in the hot weather. So let's get started. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. I'm using 6 pieces of Bali hot pepper. If you don't like spicy, you can skip this. And also I'm using palm sugar, custard sugar, tamarind juice, salt, palm vinegar, fresh water. And for the fruit, here I have pineapple, which is I already peeled it earlier. And the other fruit I'm using, star fruit, umbrella fruit, or June plum, or also it's called golden apple, and young mango. This type of mango in Bali is called poharu manis. So let's make it. First, I'm going to grind the chili. You also can use blender if you prefer. So I grind the chili roughly, no need too fine. Add to the bowl. And now let's add fresh water, tamarind juice, palm sugar, custard sugar, palm vinegar. If you don't have palm vinegar, you can use other vinegar like a rice vinegar. Some salt. Mix it well. Mix it until all the sugar dissolves. So it's done. Let's put it aside. Next, I'm going to prepare the fruits. First, I will cut the pineapple into small pieces. It's quite hard part, so I will remove. Now, I'm going to prepare the mango. So let's grate it. I have to say, the minute I cut the mango, my mouth starts watering. Even the rujak is not ready yet. I can already thinking it's so yummy. So let's put it aside. Next, I'm going to cut the star fruit. Looks how pretty the shape. Let's put it aside. Next, I'm going to cut the umbrella fruits, or in Bali we call it kedongdong. This very sour. Now let's cut it. Let's put it aside. And now let's mix everything together. So here is the sauce. Add the mango. Star fruit. Pineapple. Umbrella fruit. Mix well. So yummy. So it's ready to serve. You can also keep in the fridge for a few hours before you serve so it's cool. But today I'm going to add ice cube to make it cool. So first, add some ice cube. And add the fruit salad. So refreshing. So here we are, Rujak Cuka. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.